Executive bearing, trait 14 of 50, part of dimension 2, executive presence. This is the trait nobody wants to talk about because it sounds superficial. It's physical, how you carry yourself, posture, movement, the speed at which you enter a room, what you do with your eyes in the first 3 seconds. And leaders resist it because it feels like being told to look the part. And here's why it matters more than it sounds. The physical signal arrives first. Before you say a word, the room has already formed an impression, and that impression is processed faster than language and is much harder to override. I call it the police car effect. When a police car pulls onto the highway, everyone adjusts before anything happens. No sirens, no lights. The presence alone changes the behavior of everyone around it. Some leaders have that. They walk into a room, and the room reorganizes slightly. Not out of fear, out of attention. And some leaders walk into that same room and nothing happens because everything about how they entered said, not really here yet. Think about the two versions. One leader comes in collapsed, phone in hand, moving fast, eyes down, already half into the next thing. Before they've said a word, they've communicated, distracted, rushed, not fully present. The other arrives settled, looks up, takes one beat before beginning, moves at a pace that signals intention, not urgency. That leader has said nothing and has already established what's about to happen matters. It's not about dominating space. The leaders who overdo this are just as off, taking up too much room, performing authority. Bearing is proportion. Enough presence to signal you're here and at ease, not so much that you're managing an impression, neither appearing nor taking over. The experiment. Pick your next 3 meaningful entrances. A meeting, a one-on-one, a room you're walking into. Before each one, do 3 things. Put the phone away before the door. Take 1 breath before you enter, and make eye contact before you say anything. That's it. Notice whether the room meets you differently. The signal arrives before the words. Make sure it's saying what you mean. Again, this is trait 14 of 50, dimension 2 of 7, executive presence. I'm Don Aish, and the full diagnostic, all 50 traits across 7 dimensions, is in the Right Altitude Field Guide to Executive Presence. Available now at therightaltitudebook.com.